You can see it. Yeah, you can't. Road right here flooded away, sorta, kinda. Sky is overcast. Probably could hear the wind though. Just not raining right now. Much, at least. Yep, stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Alright, I believe at this point this is hurricane. The wind's supposed to be up to 85 miles an hour. This is what it is like. This is tropical storm near hurricane winds. Rain blistering, stinging. Other parts of the island got trees down. I can make my escape soon. I had it St. Philip. Cooped up in a house, I'm bored. Nah, my style.